Are you drowning in a sea of data? Do you need help turning those numbers into meaningful insights? Look no further. Hi there. My name is Muhammad Farhan, and I specialize in cleaning up data, analyzing it, and providing you with simple and understandable visualizations. With over 7 years of experience in statistical analysis and as a doctoral researcher in the field of information technology, machine learning, Python, and our programming language, I am a seasoned statistician ready to provide you with professional and expert services. I can handle all of your statistical needs using industry-standard tools like SPSS software, Python, RStudio, and Excel. First, I will meticulously clean up your data, ensuring accuracy and reliability. I'll then test for outliers and check if your data follow a normal distribution. But that's just the beginning. Depending on your unique requirements, I offer a wide range of statistical analyses. Here's just a sample of what I can do for you. Correlations, regression, exact p-values, Pearson chi-square test, Fisher's exact, linear bilinear association test, contingency coefficient, uncertainty coefficient symmetric or asymmetric, Wilcoxon signed rank test, Cochrane's Q test, binomial test. You can trust the quality and timeliness of my work. Every statistical test I conduct comes with a short APA interpretation, providing you with valuable insights. Let me clean up your data, analyze it, and provide you with simple and understandable visualizations. Contact me today, and together, let's make sense of your data by using modern tools like Python and RStudio. Thank you.